I got this so-called instant rice, and thinking all the ingredients are in there, but they're not. So you look at the back, you gotta add, besides the water, you gotta have 2 tablespoons of butter, and you have to add a whole can of diced tomatoes. Then, if anyone knows how to cook rice, this is supposed to be instant rice. And I remember many decades ago, this rice was always advertised as the easy way to cook rice. Because all you do is cover it for 15 to 20 minutes. Hello, that's how you cook regular rice. Like right here. After you do all this cooking, mixing of ingredients, then you're supposed to cover, reduce heat to low, and cook it for 15 to 20 minutes. Just like normal rice. Anyway, I'm gonna make it. The white ones are the instant rice, and these tan ones, which look like noodles, they're vermicelli, or how you say that? Vermicelli or something, they're like a pasta. So, at this stage, you're browning the pasta known as vermicelli or vermicelli, or I think it's vermicelli. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in here. This seasoning's probably not going to be enough for me. So I'm going to be adding one of my habaneros. This is a lot of liquid they want you to put in here. Well, it smells very tomatoey. Maybe it's too hot, but it's not very strong in flavor. I do feel a little bit of the spice of the habanero. But I'm wondering if I should. I think I better leave it. Don't add anything else, because now I gotta make the chicken. These breadcrumbs, I infuse them with some spicy jalapeno cheese powder and some chili powder. I'm using butter because I ran out of bacon fat. I have a warning for anybody who wants to add spices to the breadcrumbs. It's making a kind of a tear gas in here. All that smoke. Ooh. Well, I hope I didn't overcook the chicken? Yep, I think I did. Work together, not bad. I did overcook the chicken though. This rice-a-roni is a little bit bland for me, but I think for some people it's gonna be just right. Mmm. Mmm. It all works together well. Chicken and instant. I wouldn't call it Spanish rice. I think they failed at that. But it's something. Tastes good though.